Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, that is Gayatri, your CodexMitra. And in today's video I will starting up with a resume building, that resume, what is the resume, and why the resumes are important, why the rejections are happen due to the resumes. Are you ever applied for the many of companies but not getting any responses or callback from them? So the problem is not your resume may be the silent deal broker, that resume is maybe has some problems that the recruiters may not find the information, but you have the skills, but recruiters may not feel that. So it is because of the bad resume. So let's see how to build the resume, what is the resume, and let's see the advantages and disadvantages, why the rejections is happen one by one. So let's get started over here. So let's see what is the resume. The resume means it is a formal documentation that has some sections, and based upon that sections you can include your professional information. So it is a formal documentation that has the skills, education, and your achievements, your internships, your project, and any other technical skills that you have. So often the resume is your first impression towards the recruiters. So it has to be in a perfect format, it has to be in a hierarchical manner, it has to be simple and concise way, and it not looks like a very complex and the garbage means the anything that you feels it is important and that you are including in that, and for including that your resume is looking like a very complex, that is not getting any sense. So it can be a it can happen towards your rejection. So it has to be perfect. So let's see, I will share my resume in the screen that help me to hired from the TCS company. So let's see. So here you can see my resume that I have using this resume I have applied for my TCS for my TCS company. So I have got the offer letter from the TCS, in that I have included this resume. So let's see what sections I have included in my resume. So first I have included the summary sections, the summary section that has some basic overall information that I want to include. Next is the key achievement sections, that in that I have included the teamwork and the in which event I have organized in my college. This all information I have given in the key achievements. Next is the technical skills. So I have studied the BCA. So I have to include the technical skills, means which all the languages I have know, and that is I have included in technical skills. Next is the certification. If you have ever gone to the codeathon, hackathon, or the any other certification, means the full stack developer, front end developer, back end developer, any certificate that you have, that you can include in the certification section. And next I have lastly I have included the interest sections. This is often optional, because this is your apart from your work, what are your interest is. You can add the hobbies, your hobbies. Here I have included as craft, drawing, rangoli, and making best out of waste. This I have included, you can include according to you. Next I have included the education sections. In that I have included my degree education, the PUC, and my schooling. So it has to be the your topmost, means your which degree you are studying, that has to be at the top. Next is your PUC, next is your schooling. It has to be in a hierarchical. Next is internships. As a BCA or computer science student, it is mandatory to include the projects in your resume. So, and lastly I have included my currently working project. So in this is happen in my final year. So I have included that currently I am working on the paper evaluation system. So these all sections I have included, and at the top I have included my Gmail ID and my LinkedIn link and my location with the name and my means the job title or which from which field I have come from. Here I have included that information technology. These all sections I have included in my resume. So let's see, I have built similarly to this I will build the resume. So let's see how to build this. So now let's open any browser and in URL search for the enhance CV, and next click on this first link. And in this, here you can see the get started button. Let's click on this button. Wait for the few seconds. So here you can see, do you have an existing resume to use as a starting point? I will click as a no. And here you can see you can get these templates. So you can choose anything. So I will choose this. Okay, here you can see you can skip this. This is the LinkedIn. Okay, I now have the enough to show. Here you can see this is the basic structure of your resume. So here you can see your name. Here I will give my name as Gayatri Dupe. Okay, here I will give as a information technology. Next, here you can add your Gmail. Here I will add Gayatri Dupe @gmail.com. Next, after that, here I will give my name, not a LinkedIn ID. So next, here I will add my location as Belgaum. Okay, here you can see. So this is my this is the resume for the fresher. So I will delete these sections. Next, here you can see the education. So here you can see, here you have the options for to upload your photos. Let's click on this. I will select my photo and let's open. Here you can see you can crop this photo as well. Next, I will click on the accept. It will upload my photo. So here you can see my photo is uploaded successfully. I will save it. Now next, here you can see, here I have the education section. So I will click here. In the education sections, here I will give my topmost educations. So here I will give my university name as Rani Channamma, or I will give it as RCU. Next, here I will give my college name as GSS College. Here you can see, here you can add your from and to period. So randomly I will give anything. Next, here you can see I have uploaded one sections, but if you want to add a multiple in one section you want to add a multiple points, so here you can see I have the option for entry. So click on this entry. Here you can see the one more new empty box is appearing. So now here I will give my PUC education, and here I will give my college name as Jyoti PU College. Next, I will add one more. Here I will give any random date. You can add your correct details. Now here I will add my school. Bhagat Singh High School. Okay. Next, here you can see the summary sections. Here you can add your details like a basic summary of your education. Okay, here I will add as a oh, highly motivated, oriented, we say graduate, with a strong foundation in computer application, and programming. And the software development. Okay, I will add the information because the video make it get very lengthy. So now here you can see I have given my summary sections as a highly motivated and detailed oriented BCA graduate with a strong foundation in computer application, programming and software development, basic languages such as Java, Python with a hands-on experience in web development, the database management, problem solving, teamwork, passionate about continuous learning and eager to contribute innovative projects in the field of technology, looking to leverage skills in software development and IT solutions in a dynamic and challenging environment. So next section is our key achievements. In key achievements, I have given the information that is in which event I have worked as a teamwork or worked as a event organizer. So that I have included in the key achievements. So here I have given my event name as a CodexMitra. And adios. Okay, and in bracket I have mentioned as a event organizer. Okay, next here I have given some description as a successfully organized and managed multiple events, ensuring seamless execution from plan to completion. Okay, so the next section is the skill sections. Here I have included the first as a basic Java, Next, the MySQL. You can click on the skill option. Here you can see it will add the new empty box. Next, I have added as a web development. And lastly, as a Python. Next is the certification sections. In that you can add any certification courses that you have completed. So here I have given as a full stack developer or full stack development. Next, I have participated in a codeathon, so here I will add the codeathon. Next, in interest section, here I will add apart from the college, what interest, in what I have the interest. So craft, drawing. Next, the rangoli, background. These all sections I have included. So lastly, here you can see I have the section called languages that I don't want. This is the regional languages which are I know, so I don't want this, so I will delete these sections. And if you want to add another sections, here you can see the option as add sections. Here I will click, and here you can see you can add any sections according to your need. So first I will add this as a okay. Here I will change this sections as a, here I will add as an internship and the full internship, in which I have given as a full stack. Full stack developer. Here I will add in which company I have given. So Pride Digitals. Next, I don't want the company descriptions, but here I will give it the sub office. Manjali Technologies. Here you can add the date and the location. Here I will give it as a Belgaum. Here I will add in which I have some description about my internship. So completed internship using the languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, and lastly MySQL. Now here I will add one more section as a project section, and here I will give a project name I have, in which project I have worked, so shopping website. And one more I want as my final year project. That is paper evaluation system. Okay, here I will add the description, then I will start with the video. Okay, here you can see I have given the description for my shopping website as developed a user-friendly shopping website designed to offer a better online shopping experience, implemented features such as product listings, secure user authentication, and responsive design focused on the enhancing user experience through easy navigation, fast loading times. And here you can see the description as utilized the technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL, PHP, and a XAMPP server to ensure smooth functionality and performance. And in my final year project, I have included as developing on automated MCQ paper evaluation system that simplifies the grading process by accurating sco- uh, accurating, accurately scoring multiple choice questions in a real time. The systems allows for the easy uploading of a question paper and student responses, providing a quick and reliable result. The project aims to reduce the manual grading errors and save time for the educators. So this all information based upon your project and internships, you can add the information or edit this. So basically here you can see I have if you don't have anything, then also you can build a strong resume. Here you can see, but you has to be some knowledge about the programming languages. So basic programming you has to be know, and you has to done internship, and you has to create or develop your project and upload that project on your GitHub. And here you can see the Gmail and LinkedIn are included. You can include your GitHub ID as well. So this is all about. So you can save this in a PDF format. It is better to upload to your company's portal. So if you want to build your resume like this, and you have something problem or which information you should include, this all question if you want to answer, then one of my friend, that is Nitesh Pawar, is working on this resume building and many other points as well, that you can get the contact to him. And in the screen I will display that pamphlet that you from that you can contact to him. And the email ID and the contact number I will give in the description as well. You can contact to him and build your responsive resume. So that's all for the today's video about the resume building. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, that is Gayatri, your CodexMitra. And if you want to hire or anybody, your friend is depressed about his resume, then you can send this video to him or her, that can be helpful for them. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.